Guys, so what are you actually going to work on day one? I'm calling it day one homework, but you should be able to get all of this finished during class. Because I'm not here, the best thing that we can do with our first day is basically get yourselves super organized so that everything after this day is really smooth. And if you had me last year, or if you had ISA last year, you've probably already done a lot of these things, and so this will be really fast. And in that case, please support your classmates who haven't done these things. Help them do this more smoothly, and everyone will be set up for day two. It'll be great. So the first thing you should do is go to our Veracross page. Okay, and so our Veracross page looks a little bit like this. And in the blue is an overview of the year and the assessments that we'll have. And then if you come down to the green area, you'll see that this is where you can enroll for different services. And in the yellow is where you can download things. So if you do that, the first place to go is Google Classroom. Now this code is for one of my grade 10 classes, and this code is for my other grade 10 class. So make sure that you use the code that's on your Veracross, not necessarily the one that you see on this video. And once you're enrolled in Google Classroom, there should be an assignment called Day 1 Homework. In addition to having the intro slideshow, there are two documents there when you click into the assignment. And if you open this one is called Getting Digitally Organized. The other one is called the Introductory Questionnaire. So first, let's work on getting digitally organized. The first thing would be to go into your bookmark manager. Bookmarks are at the top of the screen. At the top toolbar for Chrome, there should be something that says Bookmarks and then Bookmark Manager. And if you go to the dots on the upper right-hand side, the three dots, you should be able to add a folder. Call it grade 10 science or science, and then make sure it shows up in your bookmark bar. And that way, as we add helpful websites or helpful resources, you can keep all of your resources organized and have easy access to it in that folder. So that's the first thing. I want you to go into Google Drive and make a folder there to save resources there. If you go to the Veracross page, it says then you have Google Classroom, which at this point, hopefully you've now enrolled. And obviously with this video, you can pause this video at any time as you work on these different tasks. Number two is to enroll in PlayPosit. So if you're on the same place, the green section of the website, and you click on the second link, the link to PlayPosit enrollment, it should basically set you up. You might need to use this code that's here. You might need to search my name, Durning, and then you can find a grade 10 science class to join. Please join the one that matches the name of our class. Coming back here, downloads. There are two things that we're going to download. One is Pasco Capstone. This is software that we use for data logging, recording data in some of our labs. So if you click on the link in yellow for either, it should just be for Mac, you can, over here on the right, link to Pasco Capstone. That should let you download it. And afterwards, I want you to open it and copy and paste this key into the license key. That way, when we want to use it the first time, you will be completely set up. The second thing to download is Microsoft Excel. If you follow these instructions, you should be able to download Excel for free, which we're going to use for data processing and graphing in some of our labs. That's outlined here. And as evidence of that, you're going to be taking some screenshots of both Pasco and Excel, fully open, fully functional, to add to that questionnaire, the second document you're going to finish. So you are creating some bookmark folders. You are enrolling in Google Classroom and PlayPosit. And you are downloading Pasco Capstone and Microsoft Excel, opening them, entering the license key for Pasco, and making sure that they both operate. If you have time, you can also go into Excel. You should be able to go into your laptop preferences and change the language region so that it is American, or that's one way to do it, United States, so that then when you use decimal points, you can use dots or full stops, periods as decimal points instead of commas, and you'll avoid a lot of confusion later on. So those are all the tasks to get digitally organized. Then you have the questionnaire, which is questions about you. I know some of you have done this before, but please do it again. There might be some updates that you want to give me, so it's just for me to find a little bit find out a little bit about you. So answer these questions. You've got time, so let me know about you so I can help support you better. And then at the bottom of this is where you're going to put screenshots from the other digitally organized documents. So a screenshot of your bookmark folder, a screenshot of Pasco Capstone working, and a screenshot of Excel. So put those 3 screenshots in, and then you can submit this questionnaire on the Google Classroom posting. You don't have to submit the Getting Digitally Organized form. That's just instructions. You have to submit the questionnaire once you've answered the questions and once you've done all the organizational things and taken the screenshots. So that is your task for day 1. If you want, I have a YouTube channel where I make videos for class, and you can subscribe to that YouTube channel. Maybe one day YouTube will pay me some money, like 1 cent for my videos. I doubt that's the case. But anyways, you can subscribe or just bookmark it so that when I make MYP videos, it'll be easy for you to find. And I hope that was helpful instructions for what I want you to do on this first day of class. Thanks.